Si Anita Magsaysay Ho ay isang Pilipino manunulat na kilala sa kanyang kakaibang estilo at diskarte sa pagbibigay kahulugan sa buhay sa mata ng mga mamayang Pilipino. Ginagamit niya ang kanyang pagsusulat upang maunawaan at palagahan ang lokal na kakanyahan, kadalasan kinasasangkutan ng kababaihan sa iba't ibang aktibidad tulad ng trabaho, politika o serbisyo sa komunidad. Ang akda ni Magsaysay Ho ay hindi lamang tungkol sa pag-unawa sa kultura at tradisyon ng mga Pilipino kundi tungkol din sa mga tema ng trabaho, pamayanan at pang-araw-araw na buhay. Ang kanyang personal na koleksyon sa mundo ay dahil sa kanyang pag-unawa sa interseksyon ng wika, kultura at koleksyon na malaga sa kanyang pag-unawa at komunikasyon.
Ang unang purpose ng mga arts ni Anita Ho Magsaysay is the Filipino culture or preserving the Filipino culture. So, sa mga arts niya, if magsisearch kayo, makikita nyo karamihan doon is nag-fishing, farming, and pinapakita niya yung daily life ng mga Filipino. Next is yung cultural preservation. Dito sa Pilipinas, marami tayong mga rituals, traditional activities na habang paunti-unti is nagbabago, nawawala, nakakalimutan na sa modernization. And yun, yung arts ni Anita Ho Magsaysay, isa siya sa nagpe-preserve ng ganong kultura. Lastly is meron siyang, pinoportray niya rin yung social realism, wherein pinapakita niya yung struggles ng kababaihan noong unang panahon and until now na nakikita pa rin. And if you can check the other arts, makikita nyo doon na karamihan ng nasa arts niya is yung mga babae talaga. So, sila yung nilalagay niya doon.
To recreate the cool artworks by Anita Magsaysay Ho, like Nude 1985 and Two Women Weaving Baskets in 1990 and Fish Vendors 1971, we went on a fun art adventure. First off, we did some digging on these artworks to get a really good feel for them, and we did our research on each of these artworks. And then we split up the tasks and had each person bringing in stuff like paper, watercolors, and pencils. Those are the art materials we used to recreate the artworks. And then once we had all our gear for our materials, our team gathered around and got down to start. We started drawing and trying to copy what we found online. And it was a mix of focus and fun as we put our spin on these awesome pieces. Every stroke and color choice was a group effort, especially to those specifically assigned for the task of drawing. And we really put our heart into it. So the end result is our own version of Nude, Two Women Weaving Baskets, and proud naman kami sa outcome ng nagawa ng team namin. Also, I could say that it was a really awesome experience that not only boosted our art skills but also gave us a newfound appreciation for Anita Magsaysay's pieces. That's all. Thank you.